In this video, we are going to go over how to verify eligibility and enroll the apprentice. I am starting with step 2 on the intake and review tab. I can see that action item number 1, customer submits initial online application, is green. So the application has been completed. Now we're going to click on step number 2 to verify eligibility and enroll the customer. Click Complete Program Eligibility. Now, to go through the eligibility determination, we will go through and verify each scenario that was clicked on the application. You may need to upload some of the documentation. Again, if one of the documents has the apprentice's Social Security number on it, please black it out before you upload it in the upload section of the profile. Click Start Eligibility Determination. The first section of the basic info will need to be verified. So, how did we verify the address? In this demonstration, the apprentice had a driver's license and a state ID. We verified the date of birth from the birth certificate. We verified the Social Security number from the Social Security card, and we have to put in the social one more time to verify it. Gender at birth is already selected, and are you authorized to work in the USA? How did we verify that? We did it with the birth certificate with place of birth. Click Save and go to Next tab. Now you're going to look for the boxes that have the gray check mark, and those are going to be the boxes that you need to verify. So I dropped out of high school. We received a dropout letter. The I have a disability that makes it hard for me to do certain things was not checked. So click Save and go to Next tab. We do not have any boxes checked on this page. So click Save and go to Next tab. I am married to someone who is an active duty service member. How did we verify that? Spouse's military identification card and work history. Click Save and go to Next tab. I am pregnant or I am parenting. Physician statement. I have had instances of legal problems. Court documents. Click Save and go to Next tab. And then it will say, thank you for completing program eligibility. Once all of the boxes are green, click Determine Eligibility. It has let us know that the eligibility determinations may also meet requirements for participation in, and it's provided some programs. Click View Eligibility. We can see down here, Tabitha McTree identified the following items in the initial application. We have the information here, and then all of the situations and how we verified them. And you'll want to click to print eligibility with signature lines if you want to have them print it and sign it there in the office. Or you can go back and edit the eligibility, or you can click to digitally sign. And you would do that with the apprentice so that they're agreeing, and then click Agree. Now it says digitally signed by, and so next we can click Return to Intake Review. And now we should be able to select the grant, the enrollment date, and then enroll this customer. Eligibility is complete, and then click Save. And then the next thing that you'll want to do is provide the apprentice with information on how to access their career plan. You'll want to make sure you give them the username and password that was created when you added them to your group. And then once you have provided them with the information, you'll check the box and then click Go to Customer Career Plan. And while that loads, you should be able to scroll up at the top now of the Intake Review tab and see that all of the boxes are now green. The customer's eligibility has been verified and they are now enrolled.